Dear children, last day I taught you economics lesson third, poverty as a challenge. In this lesson I taught you story of Mohan and disparities among state and global poverty syndrome. Now, cause of poverty. Cause of poverty, page number 378. Look, poverty continued in India for various reasons. These are as under. ब्रिटिश रूल फर्स्ट है पावर्टी का कारण ब्रिटिश शासन, अंग्रेजों का शासन. ब्रिटिशर रूल्ड इंडिया फॉर मोर देन 100 years. Prior to the British rule, traditional industries for stamp, textile, florist in India. During the British rule, the government adopted policy to discourage such industries. This rendered millions of weavers poor. Even after 72 years of independence, India, a major section of the people engaged in handicraft industries are seen as downtrodden. Now, rural economy. Indian economy is predominantly rural economy. As such, the major production is of primary goods. In India, 64% of the total population is engaged in agriculture. Even then, its contribution to the national income is only one-third. It implies that deposits in being predominantly an agricultural country, it is too much backward in agriculture and agriculture output. Now, heavy pressure of population. Population in India has been increased at a rapid pace. Main factors accounting for it is the sharp fall in death rate but suitable birth rate for the last many decades growth rate of population that was 1% in 1941-51 rose to 1.264% in 2011. In 2011, population rose to 1,210.2 million as against 361 million in 1951. This precise population headers as a big stumbling block to economic development, in spite of an increase in total production. Per capita income is too low. Now, chronic unemployment and underemployment. With constant increase in population, a situation of chronic unemployment and underemployment had developed on accounts of increasing pressure on land per hectare. There is a decrease in availability of land. Due to division of land, the production is decreasing. Agricultural sector is also facing problem of disuse unemployment. Lack of proper industrialization. India is too much backward from the industrial point of view. Hardly 3% of working population is engaged in large-scale industries. It is admitted that consumers goods industries like soap, cloth, sugar, leather, oil, etc. have developed to a large extent, but yet producers goods industries have not yet made proper development. We still have to depend on foreign countries with regard to these industries. Social factor. Various social factors like illiteracy, large size of family, law of inheritance, and caste system are also responsible for prevalence of poverty-ridden people. Anti-poverty measure. One of the major objects of Indian developmental strategy is the removal of poverty. The current anti-poverty strategy of strategy of the government is based on following two objectives: promotion of economic growth and targeted anti-poverty program. First है promotion of economic growth. The government has promoted economic growth during the last few years. Till the 1980, the economic growth was low, but thereafter the growth has increased significantly, causing significant poverty reduction. The high economic growth helped a significant reduction of poverty. The economic growth and poverty reduction have a strong linkage. Economic growth widens opportunities and provides the resources needed to invest in human development. Encouragement to the high economic growth gives people to send their children, including the girl child, to school with hope of better economic returns from investing in education. The poor may not take direct advantage of economic growth on account of lack of growth in agriculture sector. Large number of people remain poor in rural areas. Second, targeted anti-poverty program. The government introduced targeted anti-poverty program starting from 1990. The result of these programs have been mixed. The reason responsible are lack of proper implementation and improper targeting. Besides, some schemes overlap others. In this way, the benefits of these schemes are not fully reaching the deserving poor. So now the government is laying more emphasis on proper maintaining of all these programs. Now, some important programs. Look at the page number 380, self-study, and ask any how question. And next day, the challenge ahead. Challenges ahead. Next day, I will teach you next program. Thanks.